waits here aboard the Southern Estate, and about 15 minutes ago we got a little surprise. We lost an engine, and I'm sure it's just a fuel filter, but you know, we were about 23 minutes out from the marina, so we just decided to take it in on one engine. So right now all I have to dock the boat with is a starboard engine, and so we'll see what we can do here, getting it in, you know, but a little nervous.
Let me ask you a question, Paul. How many single engine starboard engines have you come in on?
That would be a big zero. But I did have a single engine trawler before this, and I was really good with it. So it won't handle, it's going to handle a little more sluggish compared to it, because I won't have the rudder, the prop, and everything working together. But we'll get it in here. I'm not too worried about it. Wish the wind had died out a little bit. Okay, today, you guys know we came in with one engine, or actually the day before, and we had to change out the Racor filters. That filter right there was plugged up. And the reason it was plugged up, we think, is because the boat had been sitting for a few years and it got a little algae in there. So we treated it, and we should be good to go today. So guys, when you're going to prime your Ford Lehman, what you do is you pump this little pump right here. It was on both of my engines, Loop Princess and Southern Estate here. But you just pump that right there. You crack this bolt right here, and you'll see air come out of here. And then when you see fuel coming out, that's when you know you're done. Same thing with this one. You do both of them. Then I did that. My engine's fired right off. Paul,
Beverly, and Daisy from the Loop Princess.
thank you so much for watching. Here's to salt under your keel and safe voyages. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
Thank you.